What up, Crypto Warriors, the Sergeant Crypto, back at it again. Today is Thursday, March 7th, 2019. So just like in the beginning of the video, the picture or the image you saw, inflation versus deflation with the $20 bill. I mean, some of it may be a little bit exaggerated because I don't remember in 1998, $20, well, maybe it could have, buying a full cart of groceries. Maybe not. However, it's just trying to point out the fact that through inflation, we've been getting robbed since 1913 with the establishment of the Federal Reserve. All right, so this right here is an ounce of silver, and today, an ounce of silver cost about $15, and an ounce of gold costs about $1,200. And here we are with some, I'm doing show and tell today, right? So we have a dub here, right? $20 bill and $5 bill. And guess what? Back in the day, all right, before I was born, and maybe even before my parents were born, you could have taken a $20 bill, walk into a bank, and exchange it for an ounce of gold, right? And Nixon took us off the quote-unquote gold standard because he just, didn't want to pay back the other world banks what the U.S. owed in gold to them, all right? They would just rather print money and basically just lie about the amount of gold they have, backing the U.S. dollar. All right, so what does this have to do with crypto, right? You're probably saying like, oh, who cares? All right, what does it have to do with crypto? The fact that we have institutions coming into the crypto game now, and they're offering saving products with for cryptos. So saving products for Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're basically offering these products, and you're able to earn interest on your Bitcoin and earn interest on your Ethereum, and those are the two cryptos that they're offering right now. However, excuse me, what people are afraid of is them rehypothecating, all right, the rehypothecation of Bitcoin, meaning them saying that they have, if I lend them, one Bitcoin, or if I have one Bitcoin in their system for saving, and they're supposed to be giving me, 6% interest yearly, then what's going to happen is they could turn around and say, hey, we have actually, because Sergeant Crypto loaned us that one Bitcoin to lend out. Now they could go ahead and on their books, on the paper, say that they have 10 Bitcoins. All right, and that's basically what happened with the Federal Reserve, and when the U.S. dollar, right, was physically backed by gold, was backed by precious metals. Okay, and they took that system and they started to print more paper money than was physically backed by precious metals like gold and silver. All right, so now we have these traditional banking type coming into the crypto space, and they might end up doing the same thing, meaning that Bitcoin will only ever have 21 million Bitcoins. XRP will only have 100 billion XRP. Ethereum doesn't have a hard cap on it now, but Vitalik have come out in the past and stated that he might put a hard cap on it sometime in the future. Different cryptos have hard caps on them. So like Litecoin, I think it's 84 million Litecoin that will ever be in existence. So things like that. But the thing is, when they're starting to do these different financial products, right? When they have these different financial products, and they're able to say, okay, well, you know, Sergeant Crypto loaned us 1 Bitcoin, or, you know, 3 ETH, or whatever the case is. Now they on paper could say, okay, we have 10 Bitcoin, or, you know, 30 ETH. They multiply it by X amount, or in that case by 10, and say that they have more than they really do, and they're able to just basically print more money, all right, and print more Bitcoin, print more ETH than they really say they have. And that's, you know, that's a scary thing when it comes down to it. All right. So am I glad that they're offering these financial products? Yes, because we're not getting any interest bearing accounts from traditional banks. And, you know, not only will it be good in the sense that, okay, if I drop 1 Bitcoin, because that's the minimum right now, right, in that account, and I'm able to earn 6% interest on it, and I'm getting that back in Bitcoin, that's good. Not only in the sense that I'm earning interest on it, but the value of my Bitcoin will go up, right? So it might be $3,800 now, and then for 1 Bitcoin, and then, you know, at the end of the year, it could be $10,000 for 1 Bitcoin. And not only that, I already earned some interest on it in the form of Bitcoin. So, you know, that's a win-win. But I just hope that they don't rehypothecate and just start to print more than they claim that they have. All right. So that's it, man. You know, let you guys let me know what you think about what I'm, you know, bringing up here. You know, these concerns, and if you think that, you know, these are you know, valid concerns. If these are valid concerns, you know. So as always, smash the likes, hit that subscribe, and the notification bell, and let's discuss it in the comment section below. It's your boy Sergeant Crypto, and I'm out.